We are live now. Let's start the class, please. Good morning, everyone. Come on, last class we have solved some questions. Very short question I'm going to give. Just say good morning when you are entering in the class. So cosecant, starting the questions, cosecant pi, this we are starting. From the beginning section, some few questions I am giving revisions. After that, we will start. Come on. Cosecant minus 19. Start the class, please. Cosecant minus 19 pi by 3. How to solve this question? I have already explained you how to go with this pattern questions, how to start the questions. Okay. So today what we are going to do here is, first when you are checking this one out, cosecant 19. I told you use table for 13. Cosecant minus theta. Basic things first we will start with cosecant minus theta. We know that since we are knowing that cosecant of minus theta is equal to minus cosecant theta. Cosecant of minus theta is equal to minus cosecant theta. First take out cosecant theta. The moment you are taking out cosecant theta, it is left as 19 pi by 3. The moment you are writing 19 pi by 3, what next work you have to do? Okay. Use 3 table, 3 6 are 18. So I told you now what you have to do. Shortest method, 3 6 are 18. One left. So this is quotient, this is remainder, and this is divisor. The entire game is for quotient, remainder, and divisor. Quotient plus remainder by divisor. Only this you do. Quotient is what? 6. Use pi. What is remainder? 1 pi by divisor 3. How many times 6 is exactly coming for pi? Come on, go for it. How many times 6 is going for pi? How many of you are there in the class? Come on, first see that. So 6 pi is coming. So 6 pi means 6 pi rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rotations done, pi by 3. The moment pi by 3 is coming, you are coming for the first quadrant. So it is coming minus cosecant pi by 3. And cosecant pi by 3, good morning Payoja. Cosecant pi by 3 is coming as how much beta? Cosecant pi by 3. Nishika, what is the value of cosecant pi by 3? Come on, say. The value of cosecant pi by 3. Huh? Cosecant pi by 3 value is 1 by root 3. The answer is absolutely wrong. Cosecant pi by 3. Cosecant 60, 2 by root 3. So answer will become minus 2 by root 3. The answer will be minus 2 by root 3. Come on, children. How many of you have joined? Just say good morning. Payoja is here. What about others? Siddharth, Rudra, everyone. Come on, say. Gagan, good morning first. Monsters, come on. Wake up and say me good morning. Huh? Good morning. So actually, first you need to say me good morning so that I can come to know how many of you are there in the class. Siddharth, good morning. Vanakkam. Vanakkam, Siddharth. Nice. Come on, we'll go for the next question, please. Good morning. Come on, come on. We'll start the class, please. Let's start. Next question, beta. I'm giving you a question. Let's see how you are going to solve the question. because these questions are little bit tricky. Question is tan, it is not tricky actually, tan minus 1125 degree. Come on, solve it. This little small question I've given you, this one. We will shift to another pattern questions today. Start solving because we have to frame today NCRT. Come on, go for it, beta. Solve it. Solve the question. Today table is somewhere. I am somewhere. System is somewhere. Seriously. I gave you time to solve. Go for it. Done. Can I? May I? Can I do this? See, shortest method is what? We know that pi by 180 into 1125. That's it. It will get converted into radian system. Gagan, good morning, Gagan. So 5 3s are 15, 3 is there, 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10. Here again 1 2 is coming, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again it will get cancelled, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Now 3 7s are 21, 30, 75. Again it is coming by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, and here 3 4s are 12. Now this is the last shot. So here you know that tan of minus theta, come on, tan of minus theta, solve it. नमस्ते बेटा. टू की टेबल सुनाओ. अरे यार टू की टेबल नहीं कर रहा है, शॉर्टेस्ट में करने का कोशिश कर रहा है, ये तो हद है यार. चलो माइनस tan 1125. एक तो बनाओ भी प्रॉब्लम, ऊपर से सुनाओ भी तुम लोग. इट इज 25 पाई बाई 4. कम ऑन, अब 4 की टेबल सुनाओ. नमस्ते अनुष. अब तुम लोग मुझे 4 की टेबल सुनाओ जहां पे मैं सबसे शॉर्टेस्ट में कन्वर्ट कर पाऊं. सो 4 6 are 24. So 4 6 are 24. Here it is coming as 24 डाला, 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25. So now come on, go for it. 25 means we have to go 6 5 means 6 rotations. 1 2 3 4 5 6 rotations over, and here pi by 4. Okay, so first quadrant. In first quadrant it will be positive. What is the correct answer? Final answer is minus 1. Come on, answer the questions please. The answer is minus 1. The correct answer is minus 1. Come on, go for it. Solve these questions. Unknown, good morning. नाम तो ढंग का रखो यार. अननोन बोलने में भी अच्छा नहीं लगता. Come on, solve it. What is the answer? The answer is minus 1. So when you'll be solving, now I'm starting the sessions. First, I have given some warming up questions. Now warming up questions are over. Let's go for it for some of the questions, please. Today, I informed you we are going to talk about some of the typical questions. Now listen. Typical questions in the sense what? Come on. Now write this question. I'm giving you the question. You have to say the values. Okay. So question is tan 4 pi Start solving. Give the answer. Tan 4 pi. अपना नाम रख, वो बोल रही माइनस कॉस 3 pi/2, ओके, माइनस कॉस 3 pi/2 माइनस साइन 5 pi/6, come on, minus sin 5 pi/6 into cos 2 pi/3. What is the correct option? Solve it and say me. Your options are -1, 0, 1/4, 4. Come on, solve it. Come on, go for it. Solve the question, please. So I'm waiting. I'm going to wait for you. Solve it and send me the answer. Say the answer. Say the value. Cos 3 pi/2. Cos 3 pi/2 क्या हो सकता है? Cos 3 pi/2. Rishabh. Good morning, Suniti. Good morning, Rishabh. क्यूटी मैडम, इंटेलिजेंट बोल दे वो ज्यादा अच्छा है. क्यूटी मैडम क्या होता है रे? हाँ, 270. हाँ, cos 3 pi/2 is 270. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Answer the questions, please. चलो आंसर तो करो यार. आंसर लेने के लिए खड़ी हूँ मैं. Come on. ऋषभ 12th क्यों? कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, इसको भी सॉल्व कर दो यार. 12th क्यों तो जरूरी होगा ना. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री बहुत जरूरी होता है. अच्छा, ऑल द बेस्ट. ढंग से देना. Unknown answer is C. Very good. It was very quick. Super. So unknown has given answer C. Very nice. Super, super, super. Now let's see. Siddharth, what is the answer? Beta, come on, say the answer, please. Everyone. C. No is also C. Very good, beta. Come on. We can do it. Solve kar. Acha, tan 4 pi. What is the value of tan 4 pi? Should I waste my time in thinking about tan 4 pi? What is the value of tan 4 pi? Anyone? What is the value of this one? I will not do anything. I will draw like this and I will say the answer. This is cos theta graph. So cos theta graph, cos of 0 is 1, pi/2 is 0, 3 pi/2 is -1. So here, by seeing the graph itself, because again it is coming on the axis, okay, so here the value will be exactly coming as, so directly I'm just drawing for this one. Tan pi means what? Graph is coming for tan like this. This is between -pi/2 to pi/2. Again with this we will go like this. So here it is coming as 0, it is coming as pi multiple. So every after pi multiple, we will be getting pi again, then 2 pi, then 3 pi, then 4 pi. So directly 4 pi means beta here not 45. So फिर से 4 pi is not 45. Think again. So here 4 pi is not 45. Here 0 pi 180 multiple डालेंगे ना. So here 4 pi 1 0 pi 2 pi 3 pi 4 pi. Every time the graph is coming on x-axis, the graph is touching x-axis. So pi multiples, the graph is going to touch x-axis. So there, that time the value will be coming as 0. So here the value will come as 0. So here one thing is there, just I have explained this too with graph, because it is easy to just supplement graph there. So here understanding the graph means here it will become what? 0, and here it will become minus of -1, and minus sign will become what beta? Pi minus, here 6 table use कर लो, pi minus pi/6 आ गया, and here cos pi minus pi/3. So once you have written this beta, what you are going to get here, 1 minus 180 minus theta will become here, this is second quadrant, because I have to explain at the time you are solving now. So pi minus theta is second quadrant, and in second quadrant the graph of sine is positive. So what we are going to do, we will be writing here directly sine pi by 6 beta. So sine pi by 6, and there, but cos is exactly what beta is. Cos pi by 3 means here it will become cos pi by 3. Cos will be negative. So minus of cos will come this side, it will become plus. So 1 plus now sine 30 degree is what beta? Sine, somebody will be asking you what answer you are going to say. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2. So it is coming 1 plus 1 by 4. Is it correct? Everyone, come on say, is it correct? साइन एक्स क्यों लिखा है? साइन एक्स क्यों लिखा है का मतलब क्या हो गया? No, then answer will come 1 by 4. See, very typical. I have just asked. Answer will come 1 pi by 4. How answer will come pi by 4? Come on. आंटी साइन एक्स क्यों लिखा है? क्यों साइन एक्स नहीं लिखा है? साइन एक्स in the question it is there. I have just converted into pi multiple, so I can write now. Sound is not coming. Sound is coming or not? Everyone please say sound is coming or not. Check this one out nicely. Sound is coming. So just give me the final answer, please. Give me the final answer. Here, is it correct? Is it correct? Give me the final answer. Option, Siddharth, I'm waiting for the option because one person only gave the correct answer. Unknown has given the correct answer. 0. 0 is coming for what? Tan pi, 4 pi is coming as 0. That's correct. Here, sine cos pi value will be what? Cos 270 value. I told you with the graph. Now you tell me 0, 90, pi, and here it is coming as what? Here it is coming as 0, boss. Understood. Here it is coming as 0. See, that time I have drawn, none of you have explained me this part. It is 0, 90. This is exactly coming as what? So 180, and 180 after that 3 pi by 2 is 0. And when 3 pi by 2 will be coming as 0, this part will ultimately become 0, and answer will come 1 by 4 only. So we have finished the question actually. I hope, Siddharth, anyone? Batch students, none of you have given the answer. Only one person has given the answer, and that too perfectly. That time you did not said me one thing. Whenever I am drawing, last class itself I have taught a very important point. And the most important point what I have taught is 0 pi. It is coming every interval is pi by 2 interval. Okay. Sign is not the problem there. Sign is not the problem. Here the problem is the graph problem. Understood? So where cos will be always remember two things. Here whenever cos, that's what for you only I did like that. Please you see one thing. Whenever cos graph is there, whenever the values are lying on the axis, so here 0, pi by 2, pi, and 3 pi by 2, and 2 pi. So here after complete rotation it is coming. Correct now? So here you need to understand this value is given. So this value you will be getting on the axis. So when they will be asking you this, you have to go in the graph axis section. So here it is exactly the graph of cos is like this. Okay. So this is 0, this is pi by 2, and this is pi, and this is 3 pi by 2, and this is 2 pi. So you check cos 3 pi by 2 value is lying the value of graph, sorry, the exactly value of cos 3 pi by 2. Here the graph is touching at 3 pi by 2, the graph is touching. Very good. Now your answer is coming correct only. Super. So here it is exactly coming as 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 on the axis is coming as 0 beta. That's only thing we have to do in the question, and answer will come ultimately. So the correct answer is C. Siddharth, everyone, I didn't got any answer. C. Look here. We'll go for the next one. Come on, go for this question, beta. Sine 13 pi sine 13 pi, come on, go for it. Sine 13 pi by 3. This is last set like this type of questions, because most of the time they will be asking you to solve this question. Sine 13 pi by 3 and then sine 8 pi by 3 Rudra plus cos 2 pi by 3 into sine 5 pi by 6. So here it is 2. Come on, go for it. Twist turns, you are only going to solve it. Come on, do it. You can do it. Come on, solve. Sine 13 pi by 3, sine 8 pi by 3 plus cos 2 pi by 3 into sine. So what is the answer? What is the answer? Board is not clear. Is the board clear now? Sujata? Anya? Good morning, Anya. Sometimes the board is becoming blur. Oh, I need to check beta. Some lighting arrangement, some problem is there. कौन सी क्लास से हो बेटा? कहाँ से हो? सीबीएसई से हो कि नहीं? Come on, come on, come on. We can solve this question यार. 3 4s are 12. Again बोलोगे टेबल सुनाओ. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 6 1s are 6. टेबल सुना दिया. अब सॉल्व कर देते हैं. Sine 3 4s are 12. So here 4 pi plus pi by 3. You see 12 plus 1 13. Now here sine 3 3s are 9. 3 pi minus pi by 3. Take 3 3s are 9 minus 1 will become 8 plus 3 1s are 3. That is pi minus pi by 3. Done. And then sine 6 1s are 6. Pi minus pi by 6. Done beta. Good morning Lucky. Vikas, good morning. मेरा नाम खुशबू है. क्लास शेड्यूल बेटा ट्यूसडे थर्सडे सैटरडे संडे को भी क्लास है, और अभी स्पेशल क्लासेस लेने वाली हूँ. इस वीक मैं इनइक्वालिटीज पढ़ाने वाली हूँ और ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक ग्राफ्स पढ़ाने वाली हूँ, ग्राफ शिफ्ट पढ़ाने वाली हूँ, मैक्सिमम मिनिमा का ग्राफ पढ़ाने वाली हूँ. अभी तो सिंपल सिर्फ ऐसे ही गेम खेल रहे हैं हम लोग ना. लुक है. सो 4 पाई मीन्स 1 2 3 4 4 टाइम्स रिपीटेशन 1 2 3 4 डाल दिया. अब here 1 rotation, 2 rotation, 3rd rotation, 4th rotation. Again you are going to the first quadrant. First quadrant it will become beta sine pi by 3 into 3 pi. 3 pi means 1 2 3. Minus means come return back to the same one. So it is coming as pi by 3. Okay, because it is in second quadrant, and second quadrant graph is positive. Siddharth, well done beta. Super. I thought you are not going to answer, but seriously this is good answer, because this is the answer. Correct answer is this. I did not give option. Super Siddharth. So here pi minus pi by 3 is coming as second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is positive beta. And here pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6 is same. So here it is coming as sine will be, because we know that second quadrant sine value is positive. Because of Anya, absolutely correct beta, absolutely correct. चलो solve कर किया, अच्छी बात है. So here sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2 and then 1 by 2. Correct? ए विकास पिट जाएगा मेरे हाथ से. एग्रीकल्चर खेती कराऊं, खेती करा सकती हो. करेक्ट है. वन टाइम फिर से सोचेंगे क्या? साइन 60 है भाई, सेम वैल्यू आ रहा है। हाँ, तो एग्रीकल्चर कहाँ से बोल रहा है? Here cos 60 is what beta 1 by 2 and sin 30 is 1 by 2. Here answer will come beta 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. It is coming as 2 by 4 and that is coming as 1 by 2. Done? So come on, come on, come on, come on. We can solve it here. Chalo. One simple question I am giving you. Record time you have to give the answer. Come on, come on, come on. Answer this question, beta. Let's start the question, please. Now, right? Solve this question. 1 plus cot, 1 plus cot, 1 plus cot x minus secant pi by 2 plus x, then 1 plus cot x plus secant pi by 2 plus x. Okay? So 1 plus cot x minus secant pi by 2 plus x, 1 plus cot x plus secant pi by 2 plus x will be equal to what? Okay. Come on, lagao. Banao. Come on, solve this question, beta. Come on, come on, come on. I am coming. 2 cos x sin x by 2, 2 cot x minus 2 tan x. Come on, start solving the question. सौरभ अभी आए हो? मैं भी नाम लीजिएगा। मैं सौरभ, गुड मॉर्निंग सौरभ। चलो सॉल्व कर लो ना यार। कम ऑन सॉल्व करो। 1 plus cot x minus secant pi by 2 plus x. Secant pi by 2 plus x will become what, beta? Try to solve this question fast. Which option is the correct answer? Siddharth, I'm expecting answer from you. Just try to solve, everyone. Please, I'm expecting answer from all of you. But there should be a time limit here. We should be solving it fast. So 1 plus cot x, 1 plus cot x. Did you notice something in the question, please? If you notice something in the question, dikao. If you notice something in the question, you will see. कौन सा? Here minus will not come ना, here it will become root 3 by 2. यहाँ पे गलती हुआ ना, यहाँ पे माइनस आया तो कितना आ जाएगा? Here 3 by 2. Here minus into minus हो जाएगा. Previous question was first minus was there ना, so minus into minus will become plus. Here you see, fully mistake you did. So root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, work in your values. So it will become 1 by 4. So 3 minus 4 minus 1 by 4, it will become 2 by 4, and 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Here mistake was there in the value beta. Here minus 1 by 2 was there. Okay. Very good, Saurav. Absolute. First answer is coming by Saurav. Yes. After that, unknown. Mind is saying that. After that, C option is there. Okay. Lalit, good morning, beta. Ayush is saying C option. Siddharth, what is the answer here? See, look here. Please pay attention, children, and try to solve this question. Now, let's see. We'll solve this question. 1 plus cot x, 1 plus cot x. Both are same. Okay. 1 plus cot x section is coming as same. Will not be disturbing that section. Okay. C is the option. Very good. So, Ayush is, he is telling option C. Saurav is telling, from the beginning, Saurav is telling option is C. Let's see this better. So 1 plus cot x, 1 plus cot x. Only one thing is there. Here minus is there, there plus is there. So do we know one formula? that is x plus y and x minus y will become x square minus y square. थोड़ा shortcut ले लेते हैं. So here this part is same. If I'll put bracket, things will become easy. So it is coming as 1 plus cot x and 1 plus cot x. Both we have taken, very good, because डांस ही कर लो तो 1 plus cot x, 1 plus cot x. So here it will become 1 plus cot x whole square beta, and then minus secant square pi by 2 plus x. Shall we write like this? So it will become what? 1 plus cot square x plus 2 cot x. Done? Can we write like this, please? I am from Chennai, beta. Anupuram. लिखो और डिलीट करो. बहुत बढ़िया. Siddharth, option is C. Absolute, but I was waiting for this only. Now secant square pi by 2 plus x beta. Secant will get converted into what beta? Secant will get converted into cosecant. Okay. So here one very important thing we must remember, that secant part. See, whenever somebody will write sine square theta is sine theta whole square. Whenever somebody will be asking, sine square theta will become sine theta whole square. So secant square theta will become secant theta whole square. So I'm just for explanation, I'm doing like this. It will be what? Secant square theta. Secant will get converted into cosecant. And beta here, because pi by 2 is there now, and it is exactly coming in which quadrant beta? It is coming in the second quadrant. So minus part is exactly going to get converted into what? So secant will get converted into cosecant. Correct? So here I am going to convert this into cosecant. Can I convert it into cosecant? If I am going to convert it into cosecant, so here what it will become? Cosecant part, if I am writing, so here cosecant square x, can I write? If I am writing cosecant square x, we know that 1 plus cot square theta or cot square x is equal to cosecant square x. Come on, can we write like that? Huh? So if I am writing this, so can I write like this? Cosecant square x plus 2 cot x minus cosecant square x. So when I am writing this, can I cancel this one? Huh? So when I am cancelling this one, what is the answer coming is 2 cot x. What is the answer coming is 2 cot x. Very good. So here answer will be coming as 2 cot x. Those who have given C as the answer, अंडरस्टूड. नहीं, बारिश नहीं हो रही इधर, चेन्नई में बारिश नहीं हो रही बेटा. सो ऑप्शन इज सी. सो ऑप्शन आंसर इज कमिंग एज सी. विल गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन. सो इट इज कमिंग एज 2 cot x. Come on. So we just converted it and we got the answer. Now let's go for the next question, beta. Now we will go for the next question, please. Now look here. One simple work I am going to do. If somebody will ask you this one, what answer you are going to say? Cosecant square x, okay, plus 2 cot x root under will be equal to what? Come on. Is equal to what? What is the answer for this? And the major part question here is, this is not the question which we are going to worry about. We are going to worry about the options, because the options will be exactly little bit, because here they have given that x value is lying between 3 pi by 4 to pi. This is exactly the limitation. And once this limitation is coming, after that we are going to see the options. Are you ready for it? The options are okay. Check this one out, beta. Minus sin x plus cos x by sin x tan x minus cot x. Okay, try this question, beta. Try this question. इसको solve करो तो. Come on, try this question, children. So here cosecant square x plus 2 cot x, what will be the value? Which quadrant? What value will be coming? Check this one very nicely. Is root is going to bother us? We are going to think about nicely and solve the question. Minus, from which section of the world minus will come? Correct na? Everything we are going to check and solve. Come on, you can do it. Just say the option. Which option you feel is the correct answer? Which option you are feeling as the correct answer? Okay, come on, go for it. Try this question out, children. Come on, थोड़ा focus भी कर ले काम पे. Come on, go for it, children. Think about this question and say the answer. Cosecant square x plus 2 cot x. What can be the answer? Sujata, Siddharth, Anya, Ayush. No, many are there. Saurav, what is the answer? Come on. ऋषभ, गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा. आंसर बता दो ऋषभ, वेट कर रही हूँ आंसर का. देन आई विल सॉल्व. Come on children, you can do it. Nothing is impossible. आयुष, ऑप्शन इज बी. एक बार सॉल्व करना, फिर पता चलेगा प्लस माइनस में आ रहा है कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है. फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट है ना, अननोन चेक करो एक बार बेटा. ऐसे नहीं होगा. इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू चेक. फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट है कि थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट है कि फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट है? ऑप्शन बी लग रहा है कि सच में है. एक बार फिर से चेक करना, सब्स्टिट्यूट करो किसी एंगल को. लेफ्ट साइड में आ रहा है, राइट साइड में. सबसे इजीएस्ट वे वही होता है. सब्स्टिट्यूट एन एंगल वैल्यू, एनी स्पेसिफिक एंगल. थ्री पाई by 4 to pi beta. The basic section is this only. Killer part is there only. 3 pi by 4 to pi. 3 pi by 4 to pi. Their value will be positive or negative beta. That is very important to see. Check करो one time. हाँ, प्रीवियस क्लास में बेटा बताया था कृष्णा. प्रीवियस क्लास में आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन. if you see the videos, I have explained that beta, in which part it is positive and which part it is negative. Siddharth, what is the answer for this question beta? See, first you don't think about anything, just listen first. Now I'll just explain you a very simple technique, not for that, for just for understanding sake point of view. So first, now whenever we are going to solve the question, these values are coming now. This we are not going to forget, okay? Because here 3 pi by 4 to pi part is there. 3 pi by 4 to pi section is there. That you must first remember. 3 pi by 4 is what value, and to what value to what value it is there. Now beta, here you know that cosecant square x value is what? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So first we will take it out root. We'll take it from outside root. Okay, so this work I have done. I am going to write 1 plus cot square x plus 2 cot x. Then beta, because cosecant square x is 1 plus cot. And now beta, after this what it is coming? It is coming a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it will become what? 1 plus cot x whole square, and root section is there. Okay, now 1 plus cot x, root section came. So that means what? Square and root will get cancelled beta. So here it is coming as 1 plus cot x. But the moment it is coming out of root, listen very carefully. Suraj, good morning beta. So the moment it is coming out of root, ये भी देख लो कि पॉजिटिव होगा कि नेगेटिव होगा. इस रेंज के बीच में जो रेंज तुम्हारा मिला है, उस रेंज के बीच में ये कॉट पॉजिटिव होगा. ये पूरा सिस्टम जो है वो पॉजिटिव होगा कि नेगेटिव होगा. दैट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, बिकॉज सब कुछ तुम नेगेटिव. सो व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग इट नेगेटिव, that means the entire system, the entire slot will become negative. So I am just writing negative. Now it is not matching my this, so this option gone. It is not matching my this because here 1 plus cot x is there, and this is also not going to match my this. So without wasting time, we will say answer is A, but we must solve and check now. So without solving, how we can say? So 1 plus cos x by sin x. Once we are solving, taking this LCM, it will become sin x plus cos x divided by sin x beta. So this is exactly something to solve. And 100% if these type of questions, option is absolutely correct. So like these type of questions are coming means you must see that, hi Roshni, good morning beta. So when these type of questions are coming beta, this type of questions are coming means first to see this section, because solving is second part. First you check the interval, and if you are knowing that you are doing good in interval means 100% you will be able to solve any pattern questions, any questions beta. Okay. Now again I am asking another question. I think you people are ready to answer this question. Are you ready? Children say. Understood everyone? So this is exactly some typical sections we must understand, because now I'm going to start graph beta little bit. हाँ, that's what Siddharth. यहाँ पे ना Siddharth here ना Surya fan of me. No beta, I'm just a very small person. Now look here beta, Siddharth, you see here 3 pi by 4. You go to the value 3 pi by 4 is exactly coming as what value? And their entire system will become negative beta, because root section will be giving you two values. One will be positive and one will be negative. The region where the interval is lying, that region has to be checked. Okay, in the previous sections I have taught, in one of the video I have explained that the entire region system, and it will be coming between the intervals, it will come as positive and negative. So one time you need to check that one. Here it is coming as negative because 3 pi by 4 to pi range, it is exactly negative. कॉट का ग्राफ जाओ ना, कॉट का ग्राफ, कॉट वैल्यू बेटा. Yes. Next question. I'll explain Siddharth one time now. I'll explain that part. I will write that things where it is exactly, because beta both means when you are going to get root means it will be equal to x part. So here whatever sections you will be squaring with, because here content will be changing beta. I'll explain it one more time, because full what you call full intervals one time I am going to. So trigonometric intervals one time I am go. Trigonometric intervals one time I need to teach. Okay, now I'm going to see one question. I'm going to start graph now. Thank you so much beta. Now look here, if somebody will ask you, Siddharth, look here beta, all the answers is there in the graph system, so I'm starting graph system for you. Okay, so now let's see beta. सिद्धार्थ एक बार देखो इसको, और ग्राफ मीन्स ग्राफ इंटरवल्स आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. द मोमेंट it is exactly, it will come in that interval, the entire system present in it will become negative and positive. Siddharth, so I'm starting with sine, cos, tan and cot. So what system sine and cos will be having at what interval? If the graph is coming negative, if the values will be exactly in that interval and the graph is coming negative, the entire system will become negative beta. Okay, so that's one of the most important thing, and it is not there in NCERT book. Some of the competitive books it is exactly present there. So one time I'm going to teach that. Now look here beta, here if somebody will be asking you about sine, so you very well know that it is coming as 0 to pi by 2 pi, and it is coming as 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. So here the graph of sine, and it is exactly -1. See this part, -1, sorry, this is +1, minimum and maximum we are going to check. So minimum is -1 and maximum is +1, and the graph of sine is coming as this one. Please pay attention here, I'm explaining some important sections. So here this is exactly the graph of sine. It will not be like that only. Good morning beta, Ranger, good morning. And here it is coming like this. Okay, so now one big problem we are having, just please pay attention for this. So here it is sine theta graph. Okay, but if somebody will ask you, One technique I will teach you, beta, to remember. Intervals writing is what Siddharth has asked the question. That's more important. That is interval writing. Now, formula one by one you will understand. So, if this is sine theta and the value of sine theta lies between -1 to +1. Now, if somebody will be asking you this question, can you tell about this one? 3 sine theta, then will the graph remains the same for 3 sine theta? In any one of the competitive platform, if they will be asking you this question, what is the value of, what is the graph for 3 sine theta? What will be the answer for this? Come on, solve it and say. We'll start one by one. Simple one I'm starting. Simple one I'm starting. The graph will be exactly 3 sine theta. So 3 sine theta graph will be what? 3 sine theta graph will be same or different? See, I'm explaining one simple thing. It will help you. This is exactly sine graph. We are keeping it as it is. Now look here, beta. When somebody will be giving you sine theta, it is correct. But when someone will give you sine 3 theta, we know that sine theta values lies between -1 to +1. So lowest value is -1, highest value is 1. This no same, absolutely correct. It is different. So it is coming as -1 to 1. Now they have given you the question 3 sine theta. Okay. So when they will be giving you the value 3 sine theta, here 3 will be multiplied. So here it is coming as 3 sine theta and this part is coming as 3. So now everything is changing. Now lower limit is changed. Nishika, now lower limit is changed and upper limit is changed. The lower limit is coming as -3. The upper limit is coming as +3. Come on, check everyone here. So when you will be exactly answering this question, here it is coming as -3. Here it is coming as +3. So when it is coming as -3 +3, did you understood this part? -3 and +3. -3 and +3. -3 and +3 when it is coming means now first it was -1 to +1. But when you wrote sine 3 theta, the moment you wrote sine 3 theta, the interval is now lower limit is -3, upper limit is 3. So now our graph will change. Here we can't start with 1 now. Now we have to start with 3. Okay. And here the minimum value will be coming as -3. Everything will be as it is. The angles remains the same. The value only is becoming triple times. Okay. So when they will be telling you to draw this, so everything, this is exactly 0. This is pi by 2 and this is pi and this is 3 pi by 2 and this is 2 pi. So everything remains the same. Only one thing, it will not start like this. It will exactly reach to this peak and it will come like this. Okay. So now, and if somebody will tell you to compare sine theta graph along with this graph, then how we are going to draw? Then again we are going to draw another line in that. Its interval will be 1 and here interval will be exactly 1. So that graph will be like this. That graph will be same. So cutting angles are same. It will come like this. See? Sorry. So here this part, wait. Little bit near I have drawn. So it is coming this and after this it will come this. This is sine theta. This graph is exactly sine theta and it will come like this. Its value lies between -1 and 1. So if you are learning this one, so please kindly check this one. One is sine theta. So if somebody will be asking you, so the smaller one is sine theta. This one is sine theta and this one is exactly sine 3 theta. So angle what they are drawing, this is sine 3 theta. This is, sorry, 3 sine theta. 3 sine theta. So beta, this is just sine theta graph. It will become 3 times means it will go high. So if somebody will now tell you to convert it into sine 5, see, sine 5 theta is different. Their angle rotation will be there, angle conversion will be there. That I am going to teach you again. Okay. That content also I'm going to teach you, but this part, can you see the shift beta? All that points are exactly going to come. So little bit I have done shifting, but see this angles will come same. Angles may see this will be coming in the same part, this will be coming in the same part, this will be coming in the same part, this will be coming in the same part. So all will be coming same, only miss all angles, the tuff and exactly the crest formation will be same. Only one change will be there, and that one change will be when you will be writing like this, when you will be drawing like this, exactly the values will be changing. Okay, maximum and minimum, that's only thing. So if somebody will be telling you, can we apply the same concept for cos also, the answer is yes, same we will apply for cos. Okay, but tan we cannot apply. The reason behind is tan whatever is there, it is set of real number, triple values will be coming also, no change. Okay, the graph will be exactly asymptotic line will be there. So there one values whenever you will be putting, you need to be very specifically correct in that regions. Okay, so now just check this one out, I'm just doing it. Can you tell me, because we know that one thing we know, cos theta also minimum is -1 and maximum is 1. Like sin theta, minimum and maximum is there, same like sin theta. So if somebody will tell you, solve this question, find it for 5 cos theta, then what is the answer? 5 cos x. Y is equal to 5 cos x. Then how we are going to draw that? Please kindly check this one out and draw and tell me how we are going to draw that. Seriously. Today I'll find a solution with. Yes, Lucky, answer is absolutely correct. Now the change will be what? Cos theta, we know that cos theta lies between -1 to 1, but it is 5 cos. So here, just here, instead of theta, one time itself we will write x. So here, because that is angle, so here angle is x only. So it will become what? -5, just multiply this, it will become -5 to +5. It will directly come between -5 to +5. Okay, it will directly come between -5 to +5. So here once it is coming between -5 to +5, what we are going to do is we will be drawing it. It is coming as what? Beta 0, this is coming as pi by 2, and this is pi, and this is 3 pi by 2, and this is coming as 2 pi. Here it is minus pi by 2, minus pi, and here minus 3 pi by 2. First we will draw our respective graph of cos, so that we can be able to understand where and all deviations are coming and how it is coming. Minima maxima एक बार ले लेते हैं, and then approximated I am just putting here only 5. Just for understanding, gap in graph you can do, that will come more accurate. Now look here, here it is coming as 1 and here it is coming as -1. Here I have taken as 5 and here I have taken as -5. So now first time I am drawing for cos, simple, it will come like this. Beta. Check. This is for cos. Now cos 5. If we are going to draw for cos 5, how it will be? Same. Did you understood this one? Come on, say children, did you understood this one? So when you see angles will be giving you the same values. Angles will be giving you the same value. Only one thing will be changed, and that is minimum value and maximum value. The minimum value and maximum value will be changed. Okay. Now there are certain things we have to understand. Minimum value and maximum value will be changed. This is exactly the thing. If somebody will be asking you this question, if somebody will ask you 5 cos theta -1, then what you will do? 5 cos theta -1. 5 cos theta minus 1. Then what do you think what we can do here? 5 cos theta minus 1. Anyone, any idea? 5 cos theta minus 1 beta. Can you do it? 5 cos theta minus 1. Minus 6. Funky, hi beta, good morning. So minus, see, when you are writing like this, first work what we are going to do, I'm just removing this one or just making it small so that we can think about 5 cos theta. Here angle I'm not at all manipulating, angle I'm not at all changing. So here if angle will remains the same, angle remains the same here. Please remember children, angle will not at all be changing. I'm just playing with the values. So again we are going to do one work. We will be writing this like, see, first though we know that cos theta lies between minus 1 to 1. Okay. Now beta, I asked you a question, 5 cos theta minus 1. 5 cos theta minus 1. So first you multiply 5 here. So it will become 5 cos theta. Here also it will become 5 cos theta and it is coming as 5 cos theta. Okay. Now next part beta, minus 1. So here values will be exactly shifting. So here it is coming as minus 1, minus 1 and minus 1. So here beta the value will lies between minus 6 to 5 cos theta. So 5 cos theta is our function only na. So we can write it as f of theta and then it will be coming as 4. So minimum is minus 6, maximum is 4. Absolutely correct, Lucky. You got it correct. So minimum is minus 6 and maximum is 4. And now minimum here, instead of writing, the graph will remain same. Why I have drawn like this? So that you can understand that we are not going to change the angle. The angle remains the same. Same as how we are exactly drawing the curve of cos theta, we are going to draw the same curve. Nothing changes there. Only one kuti work we are going to do, and that's one small work will be beta, that the graph will be exactly now changing. It will not be coming like that. So here maximum and minimum, if somebody will be telling you, ki now draw this one according to this symmetry, according to this situation, if somebody will be telling you to draw, how we are going to draw that? So here maximum is coming as 4 and minimum is coming as minus 6. Understood? Now everything will change. Maximum is coming as 4 and minimum is coming as minus 6. So here this part is coming. Now you can draw same. So what you are doing, 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Why too complicated? Just we will draw what we are drawing, same thing. But here that was exactly between minus 1 to 1. Now it is between 4 to minus 6. It is between 4 to minus 6. Is it simple? Children, can you say, is it simple? Everybody understood this one, how to solve? Huh? Did you understood how to go with it? It is not going to go with minus 1 and 1. It will only be going between the intervals. It will only be going between the intervals. I hope children you might have understood this one. Simple now, that's what, simple. It is very simple. Once you will understand it, you will be able to solve any level questions like this. So now look here. So if somebody will be giving you 7 sine theta plus 4. Now just tell me the range of it, which range it is coming. That's it. Graph means angles remain the same. Angles remains the same because I am not changing the angle values. In next class, I am going to teach you about angle shift, how the angle is going to shift. In next class, I am going to teach that very important point. And then only 3 pi by 4 pi content will come. Minus 3 to 11. Lucky answer is absolutely, we'll check. Absolutely correct, I feel. Because here it is coming as minus 1 to 1. See, basic NCRT concept also says that when shift of angle will be there, you see in NCRT book one line they have written. In that line they have written that the minimum value of sine is minus 1, the maximum value of sine is 1. And whenever we will shift it to any part, shift it to any axis, we will be exactly writing the content according to the shift. Okay. So angles will be shifted only when you will touch this one. Other than that because that is better domain part, and this is exactly you are changing the range section you are checking. So direct values putting is there. So here 7. So first multiply it with 7. Now it will become 7 sine theta and it is coming as 7. Now add plus 4. Just 4 addition is needed. Plus 4 plus 4. So it is coming as minus 3. 7 sine theta, directly we can write it as f of theta. And here it will become 7 plus 4, 11. So minus 3 and 11. Absolutely correct. And beta, minimum will be exactly where? Minimum will be minus 3. When we will be drawing, what is our minimum? Usually sine minimum is minus 1. But now the minimum will shift. It will become minus 3. Okay. And what is the maximum? Maximum of sine is 1. But now maximum will not be 1. It will reach to 11. The graph remains the same, but now the graph is exactly, usually the graph used to go between minus 1 and 1, but since we have changed the value, it is exactly coming, it will come like this. Peak and other content will remain the same, it will reach like this. So here the cuts will be exactly same, the angle will be same, only the content will be changing. I hope you might have understood how to solve these type of questions. How was the class, beta? Did you understood what I taught? Only one question where cos x I have written minus, that part I am going to explain. No? Okay. Siddharth, only that beta, that part specifically one day I'm going to teach. Beta Siddharth, because here, there now, I put total region negative. If you might have seen that, I put total region negative beta according to the interval, Siddharth. प्लीज अगेन बेटा क्लास को फिर से एक बार देख लो क्योंकि टाइम हो रहा है एक बार फिर से आई विल जस्ट एक्सप्लेन दैट पार्ट बट इफ यू सी द रिकॉर्डेड पार्ट यू विल सी वी हैव सॉल्व मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस एंड described also this part beta one time I'm going to explain to you. So next class na Saturday is our class, so next class we are going to sorry Monday Wednesday Friday is class is there in morning time, Monday Wednesday Friday. So that time I am going to explain shift part. Payuja understood beta this shift what I taught. This is not angle shift. This is value range only we are playing. We are not playing anything with the domain value. Inputs we are not at all changing. Inputs I will teach you how to change the inputs no matter whatever value will be there. Like if somebody will be giving you this also, you will be able to answer minus 11 sine theta plus 20. That means what you will be able to create means lower value and upper value also in this type of questions. Okay, so now I think between minus 1 sine theta only, now you I think you know the technique of solving. So one thing I'm doing beta for you, you check this one out. What is the name? Pin. Let's just check this one. Sine theta lies between minus 1 to 1. You start with like that beta. Now the moment minus, but this is very important for competitions and all because the moment beta plus and minus values will change, na, everything will change. Some of the extra content I'm teaching so that you will be able to find the functions like range and domain. And with this beta, it will be very, very helpful for you. Okay. So one time you see how I have changed. That's not a very big thing. Only simple thing is then and you will be able to answer beta. Okay. Just check that one out. But here when we are changing minus now, you remember everything will change. Lower limit and upper limit, because once you are putting minus in the main function, the lower the left side will come right side and the right side will come left side. That things one time in inequality I am going to teach. So special classes I am going to conduct this week. Okay. Bye everyone.